In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Behance link to LinkedIn. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to Behance, you want to sign into your account, and then you want to hover over here at the top right over your account icon and click on Behance profile. Now, from here, you want to select the link which you want to add to LinkedIn. This could be like a link to your portfolio, for example. So if you have any portfolios, you can just click on them and then click on share over here and copy the link from here at the bottom. Or you could go and, of course, share the link or add Behance link, which is going to lead to your work. So if I click on the work over here, there we go. Up top, I can click on this link, right click and click on copy. Now, whenever you've done that, you want to go over to LinkedIn, then you want to click on me top right and click on view profile. When you do this, you want to go to the this pen button over here on your profile, click on it, scroll to the very bottom, and click on Edit Contact Info. Here you can see you can add a website, so click on Add Website, paste in the URL, and of course the website type can also be selected. Select what's the most relevant. It could be personal, other, or for me, I'm going to do portfolio, so I'm going to click on portfolio over here, and then save. Now, after you do that, click on discard, but you'll see that whenever I actually click on contact info, it's going to show my portfolio over here. This is going to be my website, and that's how to add the Behance link to LinkedIn. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.